Look at that waterfall. Woo! That's crazy. Pretty normal. Waterfall. Church.
Qu'est-ce qu'on sait exactement?
There's a tunnel. Yeah. You're at the top. I don't know, maybe. Yep.
We'll keep missing out.
I wonder where it goes. You think it goes under the waterfall thing? Right?
So before it was like a cave.
Now it's a tunnel. Recording the whole thing. Pretty cool.
You want to know?
Yep.
Oh, nice.
Go ahead. Oh. More steps.
Of course.
Ooh. Pretty tight. Kind of slippery. Oh, this is crazy.
Wow.
Ooh, careful, slippery.
Is it rain or is it waterfall?
It's from the waterfall. Oh yeah? Well, want to go up first. See the end.
Yeah, literally just kind of like, it was just like a wall. It just like stops. Oh, that's weird.
Oh, it's brown?
Is it raining more out there now?
It's not raining.
Or
It's
is
from
it
the
just like-
waterfall.
it's just
I think it's the waterfall.
Yeah, probably, yeah.
Let's go all the way to the end to see it.
guys.
Yeah,
Alright, see you down.
Go. I see it already. Oh, maybe this will be up there.
Yep, want to see the wall. Say that we made it. Yep, that's it. That's it.
You know, at night, let's change. You're gonna make photos.
Oh no, you good, you good. I'm just recording a video.
You go,
Yeah, you're good. Yeah, I'm good. I'm good. Woo! That's a drop.